Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of a phenomenon that touches every corner of our planet: global warming. It's a topic often shrouded in complex science, but one that holds profound implications for every living thing. From the rapidly changing Arctic landscapes to the silent plight of coral reefs, we'll uncover the intricate ways in which our world is responding to a changing climate. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare to be amazed by the interconnectedness of our planet and the challenges that lie ahead. Let's dive in. Our planet has experienced periods of warming and cooling throughout its long history, but what sets the current warming trend apart is its sheer speed. Imagine a journey of 1,000 miles compressed into the blink of an eye. That's essentially the rate at which the Earth's temperature is rising, far exceeding any natural fluctuations witnessed in the past 1,000 years. The scientific evidence is irrefutable. Our planet is heating up at an alarming rate, primarily driven by human activities. This unprecedented warming has far-reaching consequences, impacting everything from weather patterns to the delicate balance of ecosystems. Journey with me to the top of the world, to the icy realm of the Arctic. Here, amidst the glaciers and ice flows, a dramatic transformation is unfolding. The Arctic is warming at twice the rate of the rest of the planet, a phenomenon known as Arctic amplification. As Arctic sea ice melts, this reflective surface shrinks, allowing more solar radiation to be absorbed by the darker ocean waters. This accelerates the warming process, creating a vicious cycle. Polar bears, reliant on sea ice for hunting, face an increasingly precarious future. The Arctic, once a symbol of pristine wilderness, now serves as a stark warning of climate change. From the icy poles to the sun-drenched tropics, the impacts of global warming are being felt far and wide. One of the most tangible and concerning consequences is the increase in the frequency and intensity of heat waves. These prolonged periods of extreme heat, once rare occurrences, are now becoming commonplace in many parts of the world. Cities swelter under record-breaking temperatures, wildfires rage across parched landscapes, and vulnerable populations face life-threatening conditions. These extreme heat events are a stark reminder of the human cost of climate change. Chapter 4. The Rising Tide. Our journey now takes us to the coastlines, where the relentless advance of the sea is a visible manifestation of our warming planet. Since the late 19th century, global sea levels have risen by an average of 8 inches. This rise is driven by the expansion of seawater as it warms and the melting of glaciers and ice sheets. Coastal communities are at risk of flooding, erosion, and displacement. This is a very real possibility if we fail to address climate change. Chapter 5. Oceans under stress. Our planet's oceans play a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. They absorb about 90% of the excess heat trapped by greenhouse gases. But this comes at a cost. As oceans absorb more heat, their temperatures rise. Marine heat waves are becoming more frequent and intense. Warming waters also contribute to ocean acidification. Chapter 6. The silent demise of coral reefs. Coral reefs, often dubbed the rainforests of the sea, are among the most vibrant and biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. But these underwater wonderlands are facing an unprecedented threat: coral bleaching. As ocean temperatures rise, corals expel the symbiotic algae that live within their tissues, causing them to turn white and lose their primary source of food. While corals can recover from bleaching if conditions improve, prolonged or severe bleaching events can be fatal. The loss of coral reefs would have devastating consequences not only for marine life, but also for millions of people who depend on them for food, tourism, and coastal protection. Chapter 7. Shifting patterns of life. The natural world is in a constant state of flux, with species adapting to changing environments over time. But the rapid pace of climate change is disrupting these delicate balances, forcing animals to shift their migration patterns in search of suitable habitats. Some species, like the iconic monarch butterfly, are altering their migration routes as temperatures and rainfall patterns change. Others, like the Adelie penguin, are facing food shortages as warming waters affect the abundance of their prey. These shifts in animal migration patterns are a clear indication of the profound ways in which climate change is reshaping the natural world. Chapter 8. The Earth's climate system is a complex and interconnected web, and changes in one part of the system can have ripple effects across the globe. One of the most concerning consequences of global warming is the increase in the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. Hurricanes fueled by warmer ocean waters are becoming more powerful and destructive. Floods intensified by heavier rainfall are causing widespread damage and displacement. Droughts, exacerbated by rising temperatures and changing precipitation patterns, are threatening crops and water supplies. These extreme weather events are a call to action, urging us to address the root causes of this global crisis and build a more resilient future. Chapter 9. In our increasingly digital world, it's easy to overlook the environmental impact of our online activities, but the reality is that the internet, for all its wonders, has a significant carbon footprint. Data centers, those vast warehouses of servers that power the internet, consume enormous amounts of energy, much of which is generated from fossil fuels. From streaming videos to sending emails, every online activity contributes to this growing demand for energy. The good news is that there are ways to reduce our digital footprint. Chapter 10. As we've seen, the challenges posed by global warming are significant and urgent. But amidst these challenges lies an opportunity, a chance to transition to a cleaner, more sustainable future powered by renewable energy sources. Solar, wind, hydro, geothermal. These clean energy sources offer a viable alternative to fossil fuels, providing a path towards reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Investing in renewable energy technologies, promoting energy efficiency, and adopting sustainable practices are essential steps in this transition. By making conscious choices, supporting sustainable initiatives, and advocating for change, we can all play a part in creating a healthier planet for generations to come. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these fun facts about global warming, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting content. See you next time. But more importantly, I hope this journey has inspired you to learn more about this pressing issue and to take action in your own life. Every small step counts, and together, we can make a difference. Let's choose to be stewards of this extraordinary Earth, protecting its wonders and ensuring its health for generations to come.